Hey guys, it's me again. Remember the pod, all the gauges that I wanted to do? Can you see it? Don't mind my mess, there's always mess over here. You see the gauges over there? Alright, let me go around. You see over here? You know what I like about this? What I really like about this pod is like the color, the texture, it matches the dash. It really matches. It fits really nice. Now let me do a startup. I really like these things. It's not a race car or anything, my car, you know, but like I really do like it. I think it goes nice with it. And this is the one from Glow Shift. This is a different brand. I don't remember the brand now. But this too, they changes the color. I think it's 10 colors. But I'm gonna leave it in red. I like red better. Show you guys later how it looks at night when it's darker. It looks way better. And when I turn the car off, pay attention on the clock. So I really like it. I'm not sure how accurate this thing is. You know, this is the temperature and this is the pressure for the oil, and this is a voltmeter. I don't know how accurate these things are, but I like it. It gives a nice touch to the car. Oh, before I forget, the 15 millimeters spacers that I bought after, they don't work for some reason. They didn't fit properly. So I try first on the back. So the stock screw was like literally was hitting over here on the back, so it wouldn't sit flush with the disc, so I couldn't use it either. So it's either the 1-inch spacers or no spacers at all, so I just waste money on it. So I have two sets of spacers. I can't use it unless I do something over here, like widen the fender or something like that, especially over here on the back. Unless I cut the material over here or something, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to cut all the metal, all this part over here inside. I don't want to do that. But oh well, it's gonna stay like that for now. Okay, so I'll show you guys later, and I'll try to upload this today, hopefully, or maybe tomorrow. Let me know what you guys think. So I almost forgot how to explain how I did the wires for one of the gauges. The wire for the oil temperature and pressure. So I have the adapter, the sandwich plate right over there, and then I ran the wire all the way. I had to take this cover out, I had to take that cover out, both of them, the whole thing. So the motor for the wipers, I had to take it out, and then I made a hole through the firewall, and then the wire came all the way up here to the temperature and pressure gauge. And then the other wires for this one, all I did it was like run through behind the pillar, down to the dash, behind the vent, and down there, and I connected over there like a positive. I had to find two, I made it a ground, and then one continuous power, and then one for the ACC something. I'm not really good explaining that, but yeah, that's what I did. So it's dark in here right now, but it's gonna change. I'm in the driveway where I live, so there's not a whole lot of lights around, so that's why it's like really dark, but you can see really nice now the clocks, the gauges. Car is off, so this is why this the pressure oil is like 0 and the voltage is a little low, but it looks really nice. And I'm turning it off, and that's it. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching.